So this is just to quickly show you how to load DIY maps onto your iPhone or iPad. So you launch iTunes, you click on the phone icon, you come down to your app file sharing, and then here you have a list of all the different apps. If you just click on the DIY maps, you'll see these are ones that I've previously loaded, but all you need to do is literally find the file that you made from the mapping application, drag and drop into here. I've already done this once, so we can cancel that, but once you've done that, just hit synchronize, and then once that's all synchronized, that would have loaded it onto your phone. So then you can just come to your DIY maps application and then you just go map select DIY, and you'll see here these are all the different loaded maps. So all you need to do is select the map, you can go overlay to basic map and then move to map, and that shows that in that location. And then to change maps, you can just come back to DIY maps, choose another map, overlay, and then move to map, and then once you've done that, then that will stay loaded. So that's pretty much how you use that.